So how's this for a view when you park your van up? This place, ladies and gentlemen, is Arisaig. Me, Holly, Remain and Joey have decided to come here for a day. It's a 3.5 hour drive. Just done the whole lot in one go. Came out feeling like SpongeBob SquareBum. You can usually gauge your journey by how many flies are on your windscreen. I don't know if you can see them, but that is just a memorial to the flies that died on the way here. Lovely cause though.
What have you done that water?
Mommy, I want the towel free.
Joey boy! It's Joey's birthday today. Big free.
Where's Shisha from? Mommy,
Joey,
where's Shisha?
you would never think this was Scotland, man.
Where's Shisha? Where's my Shisha?
Oh, there's one there.
What?
Look, there's a seashell there.
You got a coronavirus going on and you basically can't go abroad, but who needs to when you've got this in your own country?
Is the dog fear? What? Run quick!
What time is it, Blake? Snack time. You like it here? Yeah. Where's the birthday boy? Oh, he's all there. Joey! Where's your toy? Joey, where's your toy? Oh, there it's there. Ready? And fetch. Who needs an all-inclusive holiday? And you've got this place. And a van just up there. As soon as you open the door, boom. So you're looking at. Looks like that all the way along from the hills. Holly's favourite one.
Yeah.
Is it?
No, I'm just showing you that. You're always in that one, look. Daddy's favourite one. And whose favourite one's that?
Brick.
Yeah. Named the green man, didn't you know? It's Mingin.
My name.
It's a pro golfer right there.
Yeah,
Stuck in what looks like the worst place to be stuck. Can't even find his ball.
Oh, Blake, stand up!
Oh! I think I'll get the drone out. Show you what this place looks like from above.
Is Daddy videoing you?
What's for dinner? What's for dinner, Blake? I'll ask Mummy, could you tell everybody what's for dinner? Right, what we getting on? Right, we've got Totty's boiling away. Sprouts will be next. And this is still to be get cooked, so never mind the fat, but that'll all loosen up, and that is steamed sausage. There's loads of mash. Masher. Sprouts and oh, steaming up my lens already there. Hang on. There we go. Lovely. Turn it down. Right. You want Mr. Bean on, Blake? Yeah? Well, we don't have to, we can take it down. What did you give Joey?
Happy birthday dinner.
His happy birthday dinner?
Yeah.
What you got, young man?
A toy.
What have you got? You've got sausages.
A toy.
We're just cooking ours in a wee man.
A toy and a water.
Scenes. Total scenes. We're coming back here, that's for sure. Take your kayak. Straight out that way. Fishing rod. Straight out that way. Aye. Even the drive-in's nice.
I'm going to the beach.
You're going to go to the beach once you have dinner, son. Have dinner and we're good to go. Alright? Please.
Actually, right, Brussels white big in there. Right, Blake.
Happy days. Right, you climb through, son, dinner time.
Joey. Hi, you.
One thing I'd like to add, by the way, see this fridge? For all I even put it on, you don't need to put it on that long.
Like
And
that.
everything in there stays absolutely freezing.
What's happened?
It isn't even £200. If anybody's thinking about getting a fridge for their van, Smad fridge.
No, that's my sausage. Can we eat a Sunday dinner?
Sunday dinner by the beach.
Sausage is bloody, but anything's fucking better than nothing. I know what I didn't put in it. My gravy.
Gravy in the it's gravy with it, really. It's a yes from me.
Daddy, I found it.
Yeah. Right, tell Daddy, what are we doing with the shells? What we got to do with them?
And the tank. There's some more.
Yeah, we've got to put them where?
And the tank.
In the fish tank.
Daddy,
See if you can find some with colours in them.
Daddy, it's right here. Come see.
Right, pick your favourite one then.
1, 2. Good eyes.
Oh, they stuck together. Are we going to put them in with the fishies? Do you think they'll like them? Look at these ones over here.
Good one.
Oh yeah!
Daddy, yeah, it must is out over here.
Yeah, you want to go and see if you can find more?
Yeah.
That's what we always do, don't it? Go to different places and put shells in the tank. Wee birthday boy getting some more sausage.
Yeah, Joey's sausage. Look, he's licking his lips already, think about it. There you go. Is that why you're looking at me eating that?
We're not going to poison you, son. Maybe that other sausage fold them up.
Joey.
So, what do you think, Holly? Come back again?
Definitely. We'll stay next time.
We would have stayed tonight, but Holly's working tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, it would have been a 3.5 hour drive. It's just not viable. So we'll come back. And as I say, over the kayak. If you're wondering what it is, the place is called Arisaig. It's on the west coast of Scotland, up by Fort William. You come to Fort William, you swing some left, head west for about 30 mile, and it brings you out to here. The coast runs for miles over that kind of light blue water, and I'm sure if you can still go further, and you'd find more. But this is where we. Is he eating now? Well done, me man. This is where we've ended up coming to. So yeah, it's good to finally get the van getting used with this lockdown shite. Yeah, but it's all getting eased, so go out and start making more videos. I think we're going to call it a day, so pack up. We're going to Schmed. I'm going to see if I can get a photo of Ben Nevis for you, because when it's a clear day like this, we passed a lot of Monroes on the way in, but I'll see if I can get a wee picture of Ben Nevis with being clear and you see how big it is, how massive it is compared to the kind of surrounding area. If you don't see that, it's because we never took a picture and we just want to get home. I don't know. Don't hang me for it, but that's it. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember, like, subscribe to the channel, there'll be more coming, and I'll catch you on the next one. So as promised, there we have it. Ben Nevis, the tallest point in the UK. You can actually see the summit, which is unusual as it's usually shrouded in cloud. But there you have it. So once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next upload.